Hey everybody, long time no talk. Um, I wanted to talk today about why I changed direction and scrapped everything. I did take a long break and I'm back refreshed and with a new focus and with new determination to truly develop the original vision that I had to begin with. And I want to tell you why I scrapped the old plan and started over. And I just wasn't getting the energy from it that I thought I would. I mean, it looked great. I thought it was a beautiful program, but I completely scrapped it because I was not getting the energy from it that I thought I would. And when I started doing the projects, it just wasn't the direction I wanted to go. And so I took a break and I thought about it. And I'm back and I've decided to just focus on my original vision, which is Watercolor Wizardry Academy. So that's what I actually first started building. And then I got sidetracked with the color templates that I had a program going on with that. And yeah, I just don't want to do that. I want to focus on hyperrealistic. Yeah, I was painting, I think the second or third or fourth. Could have been the fifth. Could have been the fifth project, and it just wasn't feeling right. I wasn't feeling aligned. I wasn't feeling good about it. I mean, it was fine, but it just wasn't the vision. It wasn't the direction I wanted to go. It was fun, but it just wasn't what I wanted to do. So, yeah, it just wasn't the way I wanted to teach watercolor. The way I want to teach watercolor is through hyperrealistic style because in that style, you have to be very careful and you have to be very observant and aware of all the little things, which is great for learning because once you have a handle on how watercolor works and being expected to be accurate and all that, you become very confident in watercolor and you get to a point where you're confident in creating anything you want, which is what I want for everybody. That's the whole goal. So here's what I really want to build. I want to build Watercolor Wizardry Academy. We are starting with hyper-realistic watercolor. I am teaching the foundations of watercolor in the program. Yeah, and right now I removed everything that was not part of that. And so it's pretty bare. So there's nothing in there pretty much right now. But I'm opening it up for beta testers. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. I've been working on the website, wiring things together, which is super fun. I have Kajabi and I love it. It's not robust, but it's perfect for people who are new to all the online stuff and emailing, and there's a lot of things to it, and you have to work with the platform you have, so you have to learn however they do things. Yeah, so it's a pain in the game, but it's fun. I love it. Kajabi's super easy. I highly recommend it for anybody who wants to start an online thing. I would recommend Kajabi. You have everything in one place and it's easy to see how things work because there's a lot to it. So if you're still here, you're part of this from the ground up because I scrapped everything and we're starting over. We're just going to focus on Watercolor Wizardry Academy. And we're just going to focus on painting with the intention of understanding watercolor and how it behaves. Like seriously learning this for real. Gaining the confidence and understanding watercolor so you can create what you are imagining, which is way harder than people, I don't know. People assume that some people have like a natural ability to take their imagination and draw it, that it takes years of work to do that. So, yeah. But I want to shortcut it as much as possible. Yeah. So the academy is designed for you to be able to create on your own, to fly on your own. Because that was my pet peeve when I was learning was, I got very good at following tutorials. And then when it came to me trying to create something on my own, I did not even know how to start. Like, I didn't even know step one. And I got not happy about that. So that's why I created Watercolor Wizardry, because the whole goal is for you to feel confident in creating your own stuff. And yeah, I don't know if you've ever been in that position, but that's the goal of the Academy, is to understand watercolor. It's fully the whole scope of it. Eventually, I want to venture into all the different styles that watercolor can do, bring in different teachers. I'm so excited. And then help people that are members if they want to teach, all that. Like, I have a big vision about it. And yeah. I'm just like, I don't know why I'm holding back about it, but I'm very, it's so weird. It excites me and scares me at the same time. It's so crazy. So, okay, so let's move on. My goal is to complete 2 workshops a month. And create helpful tools like journals and progress trackers. Just, anything that can help and excite. And we're still going to do fun things too. I mean, sometimes I need a break from hyper also. So I go back and forth. So we're going to have different things in there. Yeah, my other goal is to update you guys through email daily. That part scares me, but I am committed to doing it because I think it'll help me. My mentor, which is Evelyn Wise, she highly recommends it. She pushes everybody to do daily emails. And so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to share my story because that's actually what I want to do also. It's kind of like a documentation of the progress. So I'm excited about the whole thing and scared at the same time. So yeah, so I'll be dropping more emails for sure, and workshops, of course. And yeah, so keep in touch. I know I will. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.